Good afternoon. Today is a special day. Eid is coming soon. I feel happy. Today I am going for Eid shopping. Hello, Tracy.
Hi, Anna. What are you doing?
I am getting ready. Do you want to go shopping?
Yes! I was waiting for your call. Let's go to the shopping mall.
Great idea. What time?
Let's go now.
Okay, I will be ready in 5 minutes. See you soon. Bye.
Hi, Lucy.
Hi, Anna.
You look beautiful. Thank you. You look lovely too. Are you ready?
Yes. Let's go. How will we go? Let's take a taxi. Good idea. Hello?
Where do you want to go?
We want to go to the shopping mall.
Okay, sit down.
The city is busy. Many people are outside. Everyone is shopping for Eid. I see lights and decorations. Lucy, look at the streets. Yes, so colorful. I love this time of the year.
Me too. Wow, the shopping mall is very big. It looks beautiful.
There are many lights. Wow, so pretty. I see a big glass building. The mall looks amazing. Yes, I love this place. Let's go inside. Wow, listen to the music. Yes, this music is very nice. I like it. Let us start shopping. Lucy, look at this dress. It is so pretty. Yes. Try it. Okay. Wow, you look amazing. Really? Yes, the dress looks perfect. I like it. How much is this dress?
It is $300.
Can you give a discount?
Okay, $280.
Deal. I will take it.
Here you go.
Perfect. Now we go to a shoe shop. I want new shoes. There are many styles. Heels, sandals, flat shoes. Lucy, look at these heels. They are beautiful. Yes. I love them. Can I try them? Sure. They fit well. They are comfortable. How much are they?
$30.
Can you lower the price?
Okay, $25.
Thank you.
I will take them. I like bags. This bag is expensive. Not this one. Let's put it back. Okay. This one is better. Yes, it looks good. Is this the final price?
Yes.
Okay, I will buy it.
These earrings are small. This price is okay. Huh? I like these. Ooh, those are lovely. They look great. They look good on you. Thank you, Lucy. I'm so glad. Here you go, Anna.
Oh, they're beautiful. Shopping makes me happy.
Lucy, do you want to apply Mendy?
Yes.
Great idea. Hello, we want to apply Mendy. Okay, sit here.
Wow, it looks so pretty. Yes. I love Mendy. It smells nice too.
All done.
Our hands look beautiful. Perfect for Eid. Let us just look now. Window shopping is fun.
Lucy, I am hungry.
Me too.
Let's eat something.
Let's eat burgers.
Okay. 2 burgers, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
The food is delicious. I am enjoying this day.
Me too.
It is getting late. We should go home.
Yes.
We have done a lot of shopping. We bought dresses,
Shoes, accessories.
and we applied Mendy. Today was a wonderful day.
Yes.
I am very happy.
Shopping with friends is fun.
And we practiced English too.
Yes.
Learning English is easy like this. Thank you, Lucy. I had so much fun.
Me too.
See you on Eid. Bye. Bye.